Welcome to Sleep Science Today. Another martini. We call them Sleepytinis because ours don't have alcohol, ours don't have caffeine, none of the bad stuff, all the good stuff, and ready to help make you sleep. Today, apple lemon restorative tea. Apple lemon restorative tea. That sounds delicious. I take an apple here. I like to use these, the Golden Delicious. I just like the flavor of them. So we're going to take some of that. I've already put some into our mixer jar here. Lemon. We're going to use the strainer because we don't want any of the lemon seeds to go in. So we do that. We've got our 3 milligrams of melatonin. And then we've got our chamomile tea. We put that together. Put the top on our blender. We bring it over here to the blender. Put it in. And okay. Now, what do you do with it from here? Well, I'd kind of like to have it chilled a little bit myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this martini shaker and put some ice in it. Pour the drink in here. And then we do the little martini dance. We shake that up. And the end result of every mixture in a martini shaker is a martini glass. They go together so well. Now this one is thicker because of the apple. So we have to coax it out of there. There we go. Okay. Apple, lemon, chamomile, melatonin. Cheers. You know, I thought it was going to taste like an apple teeny, but no, it tastes much lighter, much more subtle. And it definitely needs to be cold. One beautiful drink for one beautiful night of sleep. Come join us for many more Sleepytini recipes. Subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, send it to people. Tell us what you think below. That's your homework. We give you this for free. You give us that for free. Because then more people learn about it and more people can sleep better. That's our goal at Sleep Science Today.